In trading, everybody had their fair share of mistakes. Hi, struggling trader. I used to be that one once. Until I learnt to unlearn some bad stuff. I am saying this because I had fair share of mistakes, and experience has made me better. And I am happy to help. I was taught that Forex trading is about bulls versus bears. But I have discovered this is not true. It is all about dumb money versus smart money. Just like any other business, trading is very serious business. This is not about how many trades you win or lose. This is all about how much you win and how much you lose. This is my trade learning journey as being dumb money to follow the footprints of smart money. Here I will share my fundamental and technical analysis as what smart money are doing before entering in a trade. And above all, the most important one, the trading psychology that all retail trader lacks the most. I will also explain the algo trading to better understand the trading strategies. This is my story, how I learnt that I was once a dumb money.